Welcome to Real Estate from a Chicken's Perspective. Ladies, you're just about ready to put your house on the market in this inventory-starved environment with lots and lots of qualified buyers. And there are a couple pieces of deferred maintenance on major pieces that you really should have taken care of in order to get the highest price point and value for your home. Because there's always going to be a second negotiation once you get mutual acceptance and agreement on the offer price. And that is the home inspection. And if during the home inspection these different things of deferred maintenance that you haven't followed up with come up, the buyers are likely going to ask you to take care of those. So you may as well nip that in the bud and utilize the resources and direction that your broker can send you to for qualified contractors to get everything taken care of, buttoned up, list it for the highest price point possible, and get her done. We'll see you next time on Real Estate from a Chicken's Perspective. Have a great day.